50 Essential Medical English Vocabulary Words You Need to Know. Section 1. General Medical Terms. 1. Patient, a person receiving medical care. 2. Diagnosis, identifying a disease or condition. 3. Symptom, a sign of illness experienced by a patient. 4. Treatment, medical care given to a patient. 5. Prescription, a written order for medication. 6. Dosage, the amount of medication to be taken. 7. Recovery, the process of returning to health. 8. Prevention, actions to avoid illness or injury. 9. Infection, the invasion of harmful microorganisms. 10. Vaccine, a substance used to stimulate immunity. Section 2. Body parts and systems. 11. Heart, the organ that pumps blood. 12. Lungs, organs responsible for breathing. 13. Liver, an organ that detoxifies the body. 14. Kidneys, organs that filter waste from the blood. 15. Brain, the organ controlling thought and movement. 16. Skeleton, the framework of bones in the body. 17. Muscles, tissues that enable movement. 18. Nervous system, the body's communication network. 19. Digestive system, the system that processes food. 20. Immune system, the body's defense against illness. Section 3. Common medical conditions. 21. Hypertension, high blood pressure. 22. Diabetes, a condition affecting blood sugar levels. 23. Asthma, a respiratory condition causing breathing difficulties. 24. Arthritis, inflammation of the joints. 25. Cancer, a disease caused by uncontrolled cell growth. 26. Stroke, a sudden interruption of blood flow to the brain. 27. Allergy, an adverse reaction to a substance. 28. Fracture, a broken bone. 29. Infection, illness caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. 30. Obesity, excessive body weight. Section 4. Medical professionals and tools. 31. Doctor, a licensed medical practitioner. 32. Nurse, a healthcare professional providing patient care. 33. Surgeon, a doctor who performs surgeries. 34. Pharmacist, a professional who dispenses medication. 35. Therapist, a specialist providing rehabilitation or counseling. 36. Stethoscope, a tool used to listen to the heart and lungs. 37. Syringe, a device used to inject or withdraw fluids. 38. Thermometer, a tool to measure body temperature. 39. Bandage, a strip of material used to cover wounds. 40. Defibrillator, a device to restore normal heart rhythm. Section 5. Medical procedures and tests. 41. Surgery, a medical procedure involving an operation. 42. X-ray, an imaging test to view bones and tissues. 43. Blood test, a test to analyze blood samples. 44. Biopsy, removing tissue for examination. 45. Ultrasound, imaging using sound waves. 46. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, detailed imaging of internal organs. 47. CT scan, a detailed cross-sectional image of the body. 48. Vaccination, administering a vaccine to prevent disease. 49. Physical therapy, exercises to restore movement and function. 50. Rehabilitation, therapy to recover from illness or injury. Thank you for watching. By mastering these 50 essential medical English vocabulary words, you'll be better equipped to communicate in healthcare settings. Don't forget to practice using these words in your daily work or studies. See you in the next video.